Yeah, this is so weird. I got AP exam in May 5th and today is April 24th. So it's basically 9 days left. Today is the first day of studying. I mean, I did a bit of studying last night, but today is the actual first day because that was night. But by the way, yeah, I studied around like 3 hours last night and I did first and second topic of unit 3, and today I'm gonna end up unit 3 and start unit 4 and hopefully end that up, and I'm gonna do unit 5 and unit 6 tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Okay, so here's the result. Actually, I studied unit 3 on that day, and I studied not whole unit 3. Unit 3 is one of those like largest units of AP chemistry. So I've done half of AP chemistry, half of unit 3 of AP chemistry that day, and the next day after that I went out the whole day, so I didn't really study actually. And today is April 29th. Am I right? Let me check. Yeah, today is April 28th. And yeah, I'm done with unit 3 today, and I started unit 4, and I'm in the middle of unit 4. I hopefully gonna be done with unit 4 today, and I'm gonna do unit 5 next day, and hopefully unit 9 the day after. So I'm gonna do unit 5 April 29th, and I'm gonna do unit 9 May 1st. I'm gonna do unit 1st and 2nd because they're the easiest on one day, and I don't have any teacher on that day, so one of the teachers gonna just go to medical school, so I don't have teacher that day. One of the periods. What is happening in my English? Okay, yeah, on that day. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna do unit 1st and 2nd on the May 1st. But for yeah, hopefully I'm gonna do that. And about unit 6 and 7, I think. Yeah, about unit 6 and 7, let me just double check if I've done unit 6, because I just go over some of the units with just basic knowledges which I had from my last classes. Yeah, I'm done with unit 6 actually. I didn't do those classes. It's just like just go overing them, like not like being exact. But my biggest problem is in unit 2 VSSR. I think it's VSSR, right? Yeah, VSEPR. Yeah, I don't really get that. I do not get that. I think it's easy, but I don't know why I'm not good at it. Yeah, so I'm gonna do, and I done unit 7 and unit 8 my teacher thought that kind of good, so I don't think I have to study that much. But here's my Khan Academy today. I just had 2 shots of espresso, which were like mostly robusta, so I hopefully gonna be done with unit 4 today. Hopefully, pray for me. But after all, my course mastery today is 51%. Let me see if it's gonna change until the end of the day. And by the way, I'm gonna share my notes after this whole class. I'm really waiting for May 22nd, which is my last day of high school as a junior. And I'm gonna give you all of my notes for all of classes, if you want to. It's for AP Pre-Calculus and it's for AP Chemistry. I'm gonna do AP Calculus AB and AP Calculus BC, which is like AP Calculus BC. It's a whole, so it's 2 credits. And I'm gonna do AP Biology next year, and I'm not going to study all of a course in one day, in 1 week actually. This is a great lesson which I'll learn this year. So yeah, actually it was kind of fun, but it's not that fun, but it's kind of cool. Okay, I'm Boran, the one who said that gonna do the epic mystery in just 1 week. And let me give you some news from that. And yes, we did the whole Khan Academy in like 5 days, and it is possible. For sure, it is possible because you just need to see the videos, and like the whole of the videos cannot be like something more than 24 hours. So if you kind of spend like 6 hours a day, you're gonna do it in 4 days. But I didn't do so. I mean, the tests get some time too, but I see the videos on like more speed. And yes, it is possible. I'm doing the crash course. I think this is the name of the book because my teacher gave me that, and I hadn't opened it before today. I mean, I opened it yesterday, and tomorrow is the test day. And yeah, I did the crash course and I did Khan Academy testing the whole unit. So after the crash course, it was so easy, and it is possible to do that in 1 day. So if you wanna spend the whole AP Chemistry in just 1 week, it is possible. But I just slept 3 hours last night. I slept at 4 a.m. and I wake up at 8. So or 7:30 something, whatever. But it is possible. If you're wondering, yes, it is possible. And I mean, let me see my grades, because the last mock exam I had, it was like 75%, and I think 75% is something between like 4 and 5. I hope I'm gonna get a 4. I hope I'm gonna get a 5, but 4 is alright, babe. I was looking at my last videos and I find out that my face had literally changed in the day before the exam. I was looking so nervous, and look at my hair, it's just yeah, it made me look older. This MCQ exam is terrible. Okay, so this year the MCQ exam was so easy. I got something like 52 or 48 to 52 on that, or maybe a 60, because I'm pretty sure of all of my answers except like 4, 5, 6, and my FRQ. FRQ time was not alright. I heard lots of students didn't do 4 questions of FRQ, and they just stuck in question 3 and didn't go over the other. So I highly recommend you to have a watch, because they don't let you bring your Apple Watch, because have a mechanical watch, and check the time, double check the time, and be really careful about the time, because I did it myself. I mean, I wasn't so careful with the time. When I was in middle of 3rd question, it was only 40 minutes left. When I ended up 3rd question, it was only 25 minutes left, which was kind of alright, because don't panic. It's just 3 long questions and 4 short, easy questions. But those 3 first questions are easier actually. And one another thing is, as I said in my last video, you can do the Khan Academy and then crash course after that, and then test unit after the crash course. But be careful with that I did ChatGPT explanation, and I used that for my AP exam, because if it wasn't so, I wouldn't really understand it. But crash course is a highly recommended source for the AP exam. It really was the best source I had. I thought Khan Academy gonna be better, but no, crash course is better. And so I gone through all of them, and yeah, I went through all of them, and yeah, that's it. But be careful that if you didn't understand something, just ask it from ChatGPT and ask it to explain it to you in a really short way, so it will do and you will learn it for sure. And one other thing, please don't do AP Chem in 1 week or 1 day. It's possible in 2 days if you focus. Now I can say that it's completely possible in 2 days if you spend something like 12 hours a day. But I lost my
swim tryout because I was so nervous about the AP Chem exam. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it in August 11th, but don't do it AP Chem in 2 days because you literally cannot live for 2 days. And if you look at my videos, you'll probably find that I look older in the second video. So I don't recommend it. But about my grade, I will get a 5 or at least 4 because I searched it up, and at my mock exam where my score is something like 75 to 85%, as I'm not sure about my answers. But good luck on AP exam, and don't push yourself that much. I mean, you can still do it next year if you're not a senior, and a lot of colleges don't really care about your AP exam, so don't push yourself that much. It's alright if you just mess it up, but if you're really dedicated, you can do it in 2 days.